Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning that how you can use this excellent lubricant spray WD-40 to take away windshield wiper arms stuck these bolt joints. And this is this idea. And now when we go to look that area, we use that WD-40 and soon this joint opens. Excellent. This is this trick. And now we really use this WD-40. Thank you my friends that you recommend that stuff, and this we install in just in their inner area in that way, and this opens this stuck corrosion joint in here. Let's look at this. This is really excellent lubricant, and we can install that in 10 times, and we rotate that up and down, and when it starts to loose, do not move in that left hand side only, and now it is loose. Look, excellent. And now when it is loosened, we can it by itself, now it moves easy way, and now I lift that up carefully, and now it pops up. Look, and this is critical thing, because now we have to be really carefully, because some non-professional mechanic, they damage these joints in here. You can see there is really small rails in here. There is lines, and if we damage these small lines, then our windshield wiper motor is damaged. And we can see also in here inside in that area that there is also small lines in this area, and that's we have to be really carefully with that job. And we can go to look even closer that we can see these lines.